Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Quick Settings so you can reach airplane mode fast. Click the system tray at the right end of the taskbar, or press Win plus A to pop it open instantly. Once done, scan the panel for the network tile. It often shows Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a plain icon. You do this first because Quick Settings is the fastest path. Make sure the panel is expanded if you only see a partial set of icons. Next, locate the airplane mode tile inside the expanded Quick Settings panel and toggle it. If you see a plain icon, click it once to enable. Your wireless radios will turn off, and clicking again restores them. If the icon is missing, choose the pencil or edit option to add the tile. This lets you customize Quick Settings for quick access next time. You want to toggle here because it's immediate and affects Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular radios all at once. If Quick Settings fails, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select Airplane Mode to toggle radios centrally. This alternate path gives the same control and shows each radio's status. If the switch won't change, restart your PC to clear temporary glitches and make sure Windows is updated. Finally, update network drivers in Device Manager if radios act erratically. That often fixes toggle failures and restores the missing tile so you can use airplane mode reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.